Every morning, millions of people check the weather. It's become a daily ritual, almost as common as brushing our teeth or making that first cup of coffee. Whether we're getting ready for work, planning a day out, or just curious about what the sky will bring, the weather forecast is often the first thing we look at. In bustling cities along the East Coast, from New York to Boston, people pause for a moment to glance at their phones, eager to know if they'll need a jacket, an umbrella, or maybe just a pair of sunglasses. Weather helps us decide what to wear, what to do, and how to travel. It shapes our choices from the moment we wake up. Should we wear boots or sandals? Is it a day for a light jacket or a heavy coat? Travelers, too, rely on weather updates before heading out, making sure their plans won't be disrupted by unexpected rain or a sudden drop in temperature. Even a simple walk to the subway or a drive to work can feel different depending on what the weather has in store. It can change our mood and our plans. A sudden downpour might mean cancelling a picnic or rescheduling a meeting. On the other hand, a burst of sunshine can lift our spirits and inspire us to spend more time outdoors. Weather isn't just a backdrop, it's an active part of our daily lives, influencing our emotions and decisions in ways we might not always realize. A sunny day makes us smile, and a rainy day can slow us down. When the sun is shining, people walk a little faster, smile a little more, and seem to have extra energy. But when the clouds roll in and the rain starts to fall, we move more carefully, sometimes feeling a bit sluggish or even a little gloomy. The weather has a powerful effect on our mood and how we experience the world around us. People often ask, should I bring my umbrella or my sunglasses today? It's a simple question, but it can make a big difference in how comfortable and prepared we feel. Sometimes we even carry both, just in case the weather changes unexpectedly. Being ready for whatever the sky brings is part of living in a place where the weather can shift quickly. The answer depends on where you live and what the sky has in store. In one neighborhood it might be pouring rain, while just a few miles away the sun could be shining brightly. The East Coast is known for its rapidly changing weather, and that keeps everyone on their toes, always checking the latest updates. The weather is a big part of our lives, even if we do not always notice it. It's there in the background, shaping our routines and our experiences. From the clothes we wear to the routes we take, weather influences countless small decisions every single day. Sometimes we only notice it when it surprises us, but it's always there, quietly guiding our choices. On special days like a family picnic or graduation, the weather is even more important. We hope for clear skies and gentle breezes, but sometimes we have to adapt, bringing out umbrellas or moving celebrations indoors. The weather can turn an ordinary day into something memorable, for better or for worse, and it's always a key part of our stories and memories. Knowing what to expect helps us plan and stay safe. Whether we're packing sunscreen for a sunny afternoon or rain gear for a stormy morning, being prepared means we can enjoy our day with fewer surprises. Checking the forecast isn't just about convenience, it's about making sure we're ready for whatever comes our way. That's why today we are looking closely at the East Coast weather for May 9th, 2026. We'll explore what's happening in the skies above our cities and towns and help you get ready for the day ahead. Whether you're planning a big event or just heading out for errands, knowing the forecast can make all the difference. Let's find out if it will be a perfect day for a walk in the park or if you need to pack your rain boots. No matter what the weather brings, being prepared means you can make the most of your day, rain or shine. May is the heart of spring on the East Coast. Some days are warm and bright, but others can surprise us with rain. So, will May 9th, 2026 bring sunshine or showers? Forecast models predict a mix of weather along the East Coast. The north will see cooler temperatures and more clouds. The south will feel more like summer, with lots of sun and some heat. A cold front is moving across the northern parts, bringing clouds and a chance of light rain. Meanwhile, high pressure over the south will keep skies mostly clear and sunny. So, your plans on May 9th will depend on where you are. Let's look closer at each part of the East Coast. If you live in New England, like Boston or Portland, Maine, you may wake up to grey skies. A cold front is bringing clouds and a cool breeze from Canada. Temperatures will stay in the low 60s, around 16 degrees Celsius. There is a small chance of light rain in the morning, but heavy rain is not expected. By the afternoon, clouds might thin out, but the sun will play hide and seek. It is not the best day for a picnic, but a walk with a light jacket will be comfortable. The wind will make it feel a bit chilly, especially near the coast. Boats along the harbour may bob in the waves as the breeze picks up. If you plan to be outside, keep an umbrella handy just in case. Overall, the northern east coast will feel like a classic spring day, cool, cloudy, and fresh. The Mid-Atlantic region, including cities like New York, Philadelphia, and Washington, D.C., will see a mix of sun and clouds. Early in the day, clouds will be thick, but by noon, the sun will peek through. Temperatures will rise to the upper 60s and low 70s, about 19 to 22 degrees Celsius. There is a slight chance of light showers, mainly in the morning. Most of the rain will pass quickly, so you may not need to cancel outdoor plans. As the day goes on, the clouds will move out, and the sky will brighten. The air will feel fresh and clean, making it a nice day for a bike ride or a walk in the park. Keep an umbrella in your bag just in case, but most people will enjoy a pleasant spring day. If you find yourself along the southern east coast today, in beautiful cities like Charleston, Savannah, or the vibrant shores of Miami, you're in for a real treat. The weather is shaping up to be absolutely gorgeous, and it's the kind of day that makes you want to spend every moment outdoors. Whether you're strolling through the historic streets of Charleston, exploring the charming squares of Savannah, or soaking up the lively atmosphere of Miami Beach, the sunshine will be your constant companion. Thanks to a strong area of high pressure settled over the southern states, clouds are being kept at bay, allowing the sun to shine brightly from morning until evening. You'll notice the sky is a brilliant blue, with only a few fluffy white clouds drifting lazily by, just enough to add a little texture to the view, but not enough to block the sun. Temperatures are set to rise comfortably into the low to mid-80s, which translates to about 27 to 29 degrees Celsius. It's the kind of warmth that feels like an early preview of summer, inviting you to head out and enjoy the best of what the coast has to offer. Whether you're planning to relax on the sand, take a refreshing swim in the Atlantic, or simply enjoy a walk along the water, today's weather is perfect for it. It's also a fantastic day for a picnic in the park, a bike ride along the coast, or any outdoor activity you've been looking forward to. With little to no chance of rain in the forecast, you can confidently leave your umbrella at home and focus on enjoying the sunshine. The gentle ocean breeze will help keep things comfortable, making sure the warmth never feels overwhelming. Just remember, with all this sunshine, it's important to protect your skin. So don't forget to apply sunscreen, wear a hat, and stay hydrated if you'll be outside for a while. All in all, the southern east coast is set to enjoy some of the very best weather in the country on May 9th. So go ahead and make those outdoor plans. Whether it's a family outing, a solo adventure, or a get-together with friends, today is the perfect day to be outside and soak up the sunshine. Let's take a closer look at two of America's most iconic cities, New York and Miami, and see what the weather has in store for them today. These cities are not only famous for their vibrant cultures and stunning skylines, but also for their very different climates, which can make for some interesting contrasts, especially when you compare them side by side. In New York, the day will begin under a blanket of clouds, giving the city a moody, atmospheric feel. There's a good chance you'll encounter a quick morning shower, so if you're planning to head out early, you might want to grab an umbrella before you leave. The rain won't last long, but it could make the morning commute a bit damp and chilly for those rushing through the busy streets of Manhattan. Fortunately, by the time afternoon rolls around, the clouds will begin to part, letting the sun shine through and brightening up the city. Temperatures will become quite comfortable, reaching around 70 degrees Fahrenheit or about 21 degrees Celsius. It's the kind of mild, pleasant weather that makes you want to spend time outdoors, whether you're taking a walk in Central Park or simply enjoying the city's many outdoor cafes. If you're heading out in New York today, it's a smart idea to dress in layers. A light jacket will keep you comfortable during the cooler, cloudier morning hours, and an umbrella will come in handy just in case you get caught in a passing shower. As the day warms up, you can shed your jacket and enjoy the fresh air. By lunchtime or early afternoon, the weather should be just right for a picnic in Central Park, a stroll along the Hudson River, or even a bike ride through the city's scenic paths. The air will feel crisp and clean after the morning rain, making it a perfect time to be outside and soak up the city's energy. Meanwhile, down in Miami, it's a completely different story. The city will be basking in sunshine from the moment the sun rises until it sets in the evening. The skies will be clear and blue, with barely a cloud in sight, creating that classic tropical paradise atmosphere that Miami is known for. Temperatures in Miami will climb to a warm 85 degrees Fahrenheit, or about 29 degrees Celsius. The heat will be tempered by a gentle ocean breeze, which will make the air feel refreshing rather than stifling. It's the kind of weather that invites you to spend the whole day outdoors, whether you're relaxing on the beach, exploring the city, or just enjoying the sunshine. With such perfect conditions, it's an ideal day for swimming in the pool, boating along the coast, or simply lounging with friends and sipping cold drinks by the water. Miami's weather today is all about relaxation and fun in the sun, making it a great destination for anyone looking to escape cooler or cloudier climates. These two cities really highlight how diverse the weather can be along the East Coast, even on the very same day. While New York transitions from cloudy and rainy to mild and sunny, Miami enjoys uninterrupted warmth and sunshine. Whether you prefer the brisk changing weather of the north or the steady tropical climate of the south, today's forecast shows just how much variety you can find across the country. Spring is a time of change on the East Coast. Some days feel like winter, and others like summer. The weather can switch quickly, so forecasts are important. Did you know that May is one of the rainiest months in the Northeast? But in the Southeast, May is often sunny and warm. That's why cities like Miami get ready for summer earlier than places like Boston. Spring storms can be strong, bringing thunder and lightning. But on most days, the rain is light and short. Flowers bloom, trees grow new leaves, and birds return from the south. Spring weather means you need to check the forecast, just in case. If you live in the north, like Boston or New York, check the sky before you go out. Bring an umbrella for morning showers and wear a jacket for the cool breeze. Afternoon plans should be fine as the sun comes out. In the middle of the East Coast, you can plan outdoor activities. Go for a walk, have a picnic, or play in the park. Just remember, a quick shower may pass in the morning, so keep an eye on the sky. In the south, like Charleston or Miami, it's a great day for the beach or outdoor sports. Wear sunscreen and drink lots of water. No need for a raincoat or umbrella, just sunglasses and a hat. No matter where you are, spring is a good time to enjoy nature and fresh air. May 9th, 2026 brings different weather to the East Coast. The north will feel cool and cloudy with a chance of rain. The middle region will see clouds clear to sun. The south will be sunny, warm, and almost summer-like. Remember, spring weather can be tricky, so check your local forecast before you leave home. Pack an umbrella if you live in the north, but sunglasses are the best choice in the south. Plan your day to make the most of whatever weather comes your way. Whatever the sky looks like on May 9th, enjoy the day and make good memories, rain or shine.